Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Chainlink once again. Thank you for support. Okay, we've got the CoinsKid crew. So right now, Chainlink, it's came up, it's met an impulsive break target and it's retracing. Okay, it's now retracing to a nominal level of support just there. If we take a look at this on the weekly time frame, just there for Chainlink, you can see how it came up and you kept holding this ascending level of support. People getting really bearish just here as well. Remember all of this. Okay, this is the trouble with Chainlink. It's so volatile. It retraces deeply, but when it breaks out, it really does break out. Now, one thing that's really bullish here for Chainlink fundamentally is staking this year. Okay, so I don't necessarily envision we're entering a bear market here for Chainlink. You can see we've got this beautiful level of ascending support that we are holding. You can see we've come up and we're caught up inside this apex right now of this huge horizontal. We did escape velocity here, had a bit of a throwback, came back into the pattern. We consistently held these lows just there. Okay, you can see that we're holding them so far. So far so good. We're moving up the stairs here for Chainlink. Okay, so right now we are putting in a bit of an impulsive break, a bit of retracement, providing we can hold a key level support, see a bounce, start to come back up, attack that high, and these are the optimal entry points in the bull market here for Chainlink moving forward. We are looking at some kind of spring for Bitcoin as well over the next week or so. So if that can sort of couple in with the fact that we can hold this support here for Chainlink, you'll see a lovely little bounce start to come back up, and it'll offer an optimal entry point just there for Chainlink moving forward. So if we take a look at Chainlink on the daily time frame here, you can see Chainlink came up off this high, we traced to this point of contact here, this support, and you can see from here right now it came up and met the 1618 impulsive break target. Okay, look at that, beautiful. Okay, so basically what you've done, you've come up, you retraced, you come up, and right now you're retracing, as was this a retracement to this low. Okay, we'll find a retracement level for there, and right now you can see, if I show you what we're doing right now, you are retracing to this low, because basically it's an impulsive break, 1618, retracing to a normal level support for the continuation of the trend. You break that high just there, you're going to be in a new impulsive break target, which I will give you. We're going to trade all this along the way. Okay, I did post a post inside the Telegram, inside the Discord for the Patrons, I think around about a week ago, on the 8-hourly time frame here. There is a rising wedge which was beginning to form for Chainlink. Okay, and right now you can see we've fallen out of the chain, the rising wedge. We're running to resistance and we're rolling to the point of contact in which we created the wedge. So the technical target, this rising wedge, has actually been met right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is show you a key level support, which I do think will be a lovely little area to get some cheeky bids in. Now, Chainlink has an affinity towards the golden ratio. Okay, you can see in this particular retracement just there, we came up, impulsive break, came back down, we bounced off the 050 fib just there, okay, at 1937, and right now we've come up again and we've met the 1618 like I've shown you, and you're retracing to this low. Okay, so it's all about the retracement here. This is perfectly healthy. I know it doesn't feel like it, but it is, because you're retracing as you did here. You broke up, you retrace to this low, bounced off the 050, put a new impulsive break to the 1618. Targets met. Okay, so what it's doing is healthy. Providing you can hold nominal level support, you're good for continuation. Okay, so on the daily just here, we are retracing to this low. So I'm going to show you right now where we are, and I would imagine we're on the golden ratio for Chainlink at the moment. Okay, so we've not quite landed on the golden ratio at the moment, so I would put some bids on there, okay, because that'd be a lovely area of support, the golden ratio, because Chainlink does have an affinity to the golden ratio. So you can see retrace, hold that key level support just there, start to come back upstairs, take out that high, you're going to be in a new impulsive break to attack this level of resistance just there, and with that you're breaking out here for Chainlink moving forward. So I'm not bearish on Chainlink, but it's looking pretty cool. It's looking pretty good, that the fact that it's retracing to a nominal level support just there for Chainlink. So this for me would be your low. Okay, if you start to see Chainlink come down and lose that low, you would no longer be retracing, you'd be doing something called a reversal wave. Okay, so it's all about impulsive and corrective waves, and this is what it's doing: impulsive, corrective, continuing to go up the stairs. Okay, so it's retracing to a nominal level support for the continuation of the trend, which is an uptrend, holding support. Do you understand that? Making higher highs and higher lows, and you can see at the moment this high is resting on this high. Okay, so which is good. This is an uptrend, and it's retaining the trend at the moment. The trend is your friend until the end, and at the minute the trend is your friend. You're moving up the stairs basically. Now, to invalidate this, you have to come down, lose key levels of support, and once you start to lose this low here at 1908, then you would be putting in an impulsive wave basically a retracement, losing it, and then you're creating something called a reversal wave. Now, a reversal wave, just like breaking the 1618 target just there that I gave you just there, okay, you would be in a 1618 target to the downside, coming back down to retest the lows. And with that, if we zoom out on the weekly time frame, you can see that you're actually losing structural support there, okay, of this ascending level of support for Chainlink. Look, support, support, support. You know, you start to come out of that and close below it on the weekly, you can see effectively what you've done here. You've rolled, okay. But for me to say that that is conclusively going to happen because you retrace into a normal level of support off an impulsive break would be hopium. Do you understand that? So, you know, put some cheeky bids down here on the golden ratio and the 0786 at $20.83 and $22.31. Stagger your bids. Again, you can do all this on Bybit, you know, open a leverage long or whatever you want to do. But again, never over leverage. Always set a stop loss as well, because if we was to lose this support right now and you come down and you wick below and you start to close below 1908, that would be my technical target here for Chainlink, okay. And with that, you can see you've got a larger retracement from there to there because you're losing that low, you're losing this wick low, which would see you come all the way down to $10.41. Now, is that going to happen? Conclusively, I can't say to you that 100% it's going to happen, because you're not losing the lows at the moment for that, okay. Obviously, if you start to come down and close below that low because you're losing this low here, okay, which is this reversal wave low, then obviously you're going to be a 1618 target to that 1481, and you can see with that you're actually losing that low as well, which would create a new target of the 1618 down there at 1041 for Chainlink. But for me, Chainlink is holding a beautiful structural continual upside here, high lows basically, coming up the stairs, coiling up in a whopping ascending triangle, holding support, running into resistance. So it's conforming, okay, and this is exactly what Chainlink does in these bull markets. Hold support and then breaks out to the upside. So for me, I do think that Chainlink's bullish, given the fundamentals as well, you know, the technicals of the fact that we've got staking coming out this year. You know, I do think that these dips will be bought up, but again, I've not got a crystal ball and everything is my own opinion. It doesn't mean it's, you know, any guarantees, but I do think that Chainlink's gearing up for a fantastic 2022. We've got a breakout against Bitcoin as well and Ethereum, and we are falling back to that key level resistance we've broken out, and we are falling back to it as support. So this is why I am bullish on Chainlink moving forward. But again, that's just my own view, okay. It's not financial advice. Nothing I say on the channel is financial advice. It's for educational and entertainment purposes only. But so far so good. If we can hold this retracement right now, this perfectly healthy retracement, holding these key levels of support just there that I've outlined for Chainlink, then you are looking at a beautiful impulsive break to the upside. You take out that high just there and you're looking at beautiful upside. And like I said to you, you've broken out of a key level of resistance just there, fell back to support, and you're retracing to each point of contact and retracing to this high. Now once you take out that high just there, boom, rocket ship right there for Chainlink. But again, nothing I say is financial advice, as everything is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone. Bye bye.